Okay, this is COM 3. Today's Thursday, right? Thursday.
Yeah. Holy, whoa. We got crap in here.
Oh yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, but who's been able to get in here and clean out any of this? I mean, a bunch of stuff is stuck in here. Oh man.
Stop. Oh, you gotta be crap. You gotta be
Yeah,
kidding me.
I know. At least that office is cleaned out. Barry's is cleaned out. Not Barry's, that was Bailey's.
Is there anything in Bailey's?
No.
That's where I was actually headed down to.
No, his is empty. I'm not even going to go down that hallway. I don't trust it. The whole place is like shattered. Yeah, I know. But it's not like we were given any time to do any salvaging either.
I know.
We were given.
That's part of it. That's what I mean. That's part of it.
We were given 3 hours to clean everything out.
But that's part of it.
Yeah.
My state is that they're not,
This area wasn't particularly damaged, but we still haven't gotten everything out because we don't know who's responsible for doing this kind of stuff. So, all kinds of stuff. I don't even want to think what's in those cupboards. That window was saved. My office. Everything's gone. The last of my junk is there. A couple other people's things. Dr. Who still has a bunch of stuff on his shelf that you can't see, but this is the last of the faculty suite.
I know you just didn't do me in there.
This one's empty. Whose stuff that was that?
I think it's Millet.
Oh, really? Okay.
Like a stapler and all, that stuff could be
Oh, I know. I grabbed all my stapler stuff.
taken in yours, sorry.
That's okay. Okay. Outside. And I haven't seen any videos of the true outside, backside of this building, so I'm going to see what I can see. I know that the top side up there was pretty well trashed out, and all the offices up there were pretty well trashed. Yeah, you can see the roof is pretty well gone up there, and the wall. You don't want anybody in that building because all the bricks from the second floor sit in the wrong place. Back side of our building, I think only one window quit taken down. It looks like a nice art form down there with all that metal. Holy cow. Gotta get the last picture of the sign. There we go. College of Osteopathic Medicine. Waiting for a dolly so I can get the last of my stuff out. We're all sharing dollies. William Carey crest. Top window's blown out. Building I don't want to walk in. Roof's gone. William Carey ground mat. The ground's just littered. Everything They just redid some of the ceiling, all the roof tiles. A lot of this was just redone. Some of it isn't, but there's glass everywhere. So, see across campus. And I can see the front side of our building. Trashed out. That's the AC unit that had the car flip behind it. And you can see the front of this building. I'm not going over there. It's not safe. But looks like the thing for computers is gone. That whole computer IT area was gone. So, more staff coming on campus. This was the roofing that was just finished last week. Wow. Look at that. Totally blown. Amazing what wind can do for damage. And two of our wonderful ladies who busted their tails while working. Yes.
Hello.
And Dr. Gustafson way down there. We can just barely see him. He's like size of an ant in this, but. So, any objections to me posting this on Facebook, ladies?
No.
Okay. Or YouTube? It's okay if I.
If we get enough hits and we get royalties, so go ahead.
Sure. We'll pass them on. Okay. Guess I better see if there's a dolly. This tire's blown out. It doesn't work. And Dr. Abuze. Hey. Dr. Abuze, any objections to me posting this on Facebook if your face is on here or on YouTube?
I will not answer you now until you publish it, and then I'll sue you.
Oh, thanks. I love you too. And Dr. Hisley. Dr. Hisley, any objections to
He's wanted.
putting on YouTube? Quick, put the spotlight on Dr. Hisley. Quick, get that flashlight on him. Dr. Hisley, where's your face?
He's
Oh,
on
no.
America's Most Wanted.
Okay, but of course, nobody can see my face. Oh, he's even showing his name. Oh yeah, I got it. Okay, I guess I should show my face at least once. Okay, this is me. Don't know if you can see me, but that's okay. Here comes Heather. Oh, we gotta get Heather coming in. She's hauling a dolly. Sure, we'll let you. Oh, got a couple other wonderful. Dr. Bateman, Dr. Millett.
I am useful, no matter what anybody says.
Any objection to me putting this up on YouTube?
No.
Okay. Here, I'll let you hold it for a second. Please show my face. Okay. Hi. Bye. Okay. We're gone. Oh, there's Dr. Gustafson. He came around the long way.
I have a special one.
So,
Metal and used wood. Interested?
in what?
Scrap metal and used wood. I
No.
got a really good deal for you.
Yeah, we'll pass. Any objection to us putting this on YouTube?
I don't care.
Okay. Okay, folks. End of the school. Bye.